Oh, that one got away.
Oh.
Oh.
That one got away. He needs to stand a bit further back.
I thought it were like an involuntary muscle spasm, but it seems the fish really caught him.
Yeah, I would imagine that's exactly what it is, to be fair.
Has he just jumped in
Straight
the water?
overboard. Yeah, his fish pulled him in, front rod.
Can that actually happen?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, in a fucking bubble.
No, you need to be careful.
Have to be real
Sophie and
careful.
Safi. You do know the fish can actually pull you in.
Yeah, they pull you in if you fail. If you fail it 5 times in a row.
If you
There's a
fail it
chance they'll
five,
pull
if
you
you
in.
fail it 5 times in a row, yeah, it pulls you
Ah,
in.
fuck!
Oh shit!
No, it's alright. One of the fishes tried escaping again. Yeah, yeah.
He actually believes us, man.